Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buffalo here. I promised you all a couple videos ago that I would show you my treetop area of the warehouse, which is basically like my overflow. Also, I wanted to mention, I know it's been a couple of years ago, but these walls that you see here built around my staircase was built by Blood, Sweat, and Sales. I want to give him a shout out. I know it's been a couple of years, and this guy came all the way from South Carolina, believe it or not. We worked out a price. He built this and a couple other things in the warehouse that I definitely needed. So I wanted to give him a shout out before we get started. But yeah, a lot of this stuff up in here is my overflow. I hadn't seen it in maybe a year or two.
Welcome to Defend the Hustle. Buffalo always keeps it a buck.
I can guarantee you most of the audience is gonna agree with me before they agree with you.
Lock in, because Buffalo is about to
Crack your cranium and fertilize your brain. Go ahead, right here, right now. You go ahead.
subscribe and share now.
Okay, so like I said, this is my overflow area. I got a few shelves up here, got some boxes sectioned off, but it's really no rhyme or reason how I got things up here. I just moved up here to get it off the main floor. So like I said, some of this stuff in here, I hadn't seen it in a couple of years. Some of this stuff is liquidation. Most of it is from like sales that I was getting from Walmart and orders that I was getting online arbitrage. And I was just swirling it away up here in my treetop until I got around to getting to it. So now it's Q4 and I want to get some of this stuff moved. Some of this stuff is going to be a surprise to me just as well as you when you see it. So let's just go ahead and get to it. Okay, so right here I have some collectible helmets. I have Megatron, I have Master Chief, Halo. So I remember I gifted one of these to Messall Diggs. He said his son was a big fan of Master Chief, so I hope he enjoyed it. Also have some bow and arrows for the Nerf. I got those from Kohl's. I got this from a store, I don't want to call it its name, but this is the Peanut movie skating pun. This item right here I got from Marshall's. I need to go ahead and get that listed, and that's what I'm doing up here, is I'm going through everything so that I can know what I'm going to ship to Amazon within the next few days and what I'm going to actually verify if it's listed on Walmart, so I can get some of this stuff moved out of here. All right, this is Jurassic World, and I have about 6 of those. I think I sold a few of those, so those are on Walmart. These are the plush collectible Jurassic World, and I had shipped these off one time to Amazon and they got shipped back. So I got a total of 5 of those. These are all Dr. Strange. I got those from my friend Devil Dog Treasure Hunters. He sent me all of those. Really sent me way more than that. And I started shipping some of those things to Amazon. This is just a leftover. Dr. Strange got a couple movies coming out, I think 2025. So I'll hold on to those, see if they move. I got a couple coffee pots down here as well. These are old leftovers from Black Friday of 2023. This is a hoverboard I got to get listed. This thing go for about $150. This item is listed already. This one I got to get listed, and I'm tossing up whether or not I'm going to put it on Walmart or eBay. But basically, no sellers got this one on Walmart. I got these I ordered last year. I got 1, 2, 3 boxes of these. This is My Life dog with the Grinch plush in there. And if you get this along with the Grinch book, but by itself, it may sell for about 80 or 90. So I have these 3 boxes here, and I have all of these right here. All right, in this box, this was an online arbitrage buy for the LOL dolls. I got to get those listed. They're not listed. This item right here came in liquidation. Got this probably 2 years ago. And this is the Animal Planet helicopter excursion. Now these items here, I was selling them good on Walmart for around $24. I dropped it down to 21, and then Walmart said after a year of selling them that it was too high, so I had to drop it down to $17. So, and as you can see, I got a whole bunch of those. So over here I got PJ Masks. I have some of these already at Amazon. They selling pretty good. If they pick up, I'm gonna make another big dump over there of these, and I got plenty of them. As you can see, got a whole stack of those, and I got a big stack over there as well. These little tights, the chalk and the ball, these sell good at the summertime. Basically, I have to have an air pump so I can keep these pumped up. I just pump them up when they sell. I used to have about 4 boxes of those, so I'm down to like 3 left. I got this LOL camper over here. I picked this up from Walmart. I think I paid 10 bucks for it, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the Rainbow High. I just got to make sure the count is correct, that it still have a total of 1 of those in there. And I'm gonna pull this back so you can see what's in this box. So here, these are the Nana Surprise campers as well. This is one of them right here. And I have 2 down in that big box. These 2 boxes are basically full of Barbies. These 2 boxes here are Nerf guns. I got to get those listed. This is LOL Surprise. I think I picked these up for $5. They sell them for about 30 something right now. There's just a whole collection of stuff that I need to go through. I'm not sure what's there. These are some cups. I don't know. I'm not sure if these are a private label item or what. I'm not sure. And this is some estate sale stuff that I purchased. A Monopoly board over here for X-Men. I think it's missing a couple pieces. These are all chalk buckets. I don't have a box cut on me, so I can't open these up, but they've been selling pretty good. Summertime they sell real good, but right now they moving. I probably sell 1 a month right now, but summertime probably selling about 4 or 5 every 2 weeks, something like that. These items right here, these are aliens. I've been selling these pretty good. I got these from Dale Dog Treasure Hunters as well. I went up to his warehouse in Maryland, and he basically gave those to me. I wanted to pay him something. He was like, no, it's all free. It's on me. So yeah, that's what happened when you build relationships up with people in this resale communities. You got some people out here that don't mind sharing and giving and stuff like that. This item right here, I know it's got to be listed. This is an AEW ring I got from Ross for $7.99. This thing is probably about $50 now. I have some Our Generation dolls here. Now, these right here, they should already be sold, but you know just as well I know as a reseller, nothing gonna sell if you don't have it listed. These came in from liquidation. I had a total of about 50 of these, 50 boxes. And I'm now down to 5, so I got to get those listed as 2 in a box. This item right here, Amazon somehow jumped on the listing. They drove the price down, so I'm gonna hold that one. These are some of those Alpine dolls, which I'll show you once we get over into the corner. But those are the remainder of those, and then I have some loose ones over there in the corner. This item right here I got from Walmart for $5. I had probably 6 of those. I think that one just, the reason it's still here is because it's not listed. Here I have some more Monster High dolls I got off of online arbitrage. I think Amazon had those for about $8, so I ordered those. And this box here is another helmet for Transformers. Like the Megatron that I showed you earlier. I have a total of 5 of those. I got 2 here. I got 3 at my house. This item right here, I found it at Owley's, and this is a Transformer for Jurassic Park 30th anniversary. These are not listed, and that's on purpose. I'm gonna hold those. These LOLs, they're in the wrong place. They should be downstairs, and I think they are listed, but we got to get those downstairs. These items right here, the Christmas trees, I bought those from Walmart during the after Christmas sale. And I don't know, have I got those listed yet, but I got to work on that. These items right here, I found at Ross as well, the Transformer racetrack. This one paid $9.99. Right now, I think they're selling for about $30. Oh, and the chalk that I mentioned, this is what the chalk looked like. All right, that was the bucket, chalk bucket looked like over there in the other boxes I told y'all about over there. These items I know is listed. I don't know what's in that box. I'm not gonna move all this stuff to see. This here, this was a online arbitrage buy from Target. And I don't remember what I paid for it, but I know it was in the single digits. This item here I got from Ollie's. It said $15.99, but I didn't pay $15.99. I got it when they had the 50% off sale, so I picked that up. Back there, that is a Chewbacca and some more Godzilla stuff back there. What is this box? This right here is some Funko Pops, and I think in these 2 boxes are Funko Pops as well, the big 10-inch. This item was an online arbitrage buy. I think I got 3 of those from Target. Got some dolls over here. That's the Alpine dolls. I told you that was loose figures. I got some Rainbow High that I got to get shipped out. These Flash, I bought these from Ross for $7.99, and I'm just gonna sit on them for a while. Nah dolls surprise here. I don't even have those listed. And I think I don't have them listed on purpose. I got to see what these Black Panther helmets are going for now. Paid $10 for these on a sale, online arbitrage. I think it was from Amazon. So down here in these containers, these are my comic books. These are my collectible comics. All right, so in this box right here, all right, this is Spirit the Herd. Got to get that listed. Here I got a Coca-Cola refrigerator. Got that from Walmart on sale. And that's a mat. I think these are fire trucks. This is Santa on the motorcycle. I got to get those listed. Got those on sale as well last year from Walmart. Just a bunch of dolls, Funko Pops down here, Blues Clues. I got to check that out, see what it's going for. I got some 2,000 piece puzzles that I don't have listed. This item right here, I know I'm trying to sell it on eBay, but that's a long tail item. I got some LOL over here that I got from Liquidation. This is the Carpool. I'm having an issue with this one selling it on Walmart because of it's keep coming up with an error, but people are selling it, so I don't know what's going on. In this box right here, these are the LeBron. No, this is not LeBrons. These are, I do have some LeBrons somewhere. All right, I got a whole box of those. I bought those because I thought they was gonna sell out, which I'm looking at probably was a bad buy. But you know, we'll see how it goes in a couple of years. Also too, I have some LOL stuff here that's listed already, just waiting to see. Maybe I got the price too high on it. Got some more Transformers over here that's supposed to be downstairs. But yeah, this is an overview of what I call the treetop. And as you can see, I got a lot of stuff up here. I just got to get this stuff listed or put onto my FBA shipment and get it out of here. So it's hot up here. I'm gonna get out of here before I sweat my head out. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff up here. I got to get some of this stuff listed and also shipped to Amazon. I just want to let you all know that I appreciate your support. Thank you for defending the hustle on Sunday night, coming out, sharing your time with us. With that being said, Buffalo Picker, defend the hustle. See you on the next video.